The magic ratio in relationships. John Gottman's key to success. John Gottman, a leading relationship researcher, discovered a simple but powerful truth. Successful relationships have at least 5 positive interactions for every 1 negative interaction. This is known as the magic ratio. What does that mean? It's not about avoiding conflict altogether, disagreements happen, but about balancing them with more positive, affirming moments. When the positive outweighs the negative by 5 to 1, relationships thrive. When negativity creeps in without enough positive moments, relationships weaken and can break down. How to use this in your relationships. 1. Be intentional about positivity. Look for small ways to add warmth, kindness, and appreciation every day. It could be a compliment, a smile, a thank you, or a thoughtful gesture. 2. Build an emotional bank account. Positive interactions act like deposits. Negative interactions are withdrawals. Make more deposits than withdrawals. 3. Express genuine appreciation regularly. Say what you value about the person. Be specific. I really appreciate how you listen when I'm stressed. Is more powerful than a vague thanks. 4. Catch yourself before reacting negatively. Pause and ask, can I respond with kindness here instead of criticism? 5. Repair quickly after conflict. Apologize, acknowledge feelings, and reconnect. Even a small gesture to repair can restore the positive balance. Action step. Today, send a genuine message of appreciation to someone you care about. It can be a text, a note, or face-to-face. Just make it heartfelt and specific. Why it matters. Relationships aren't built on grand gestures alone. They're built on consistent, positive moments that create safety, trust, and connection. This 5-1 ratio isn't just theory. It's a proven formula for lasting bonds. Practice this daily. Make positivity your relationship habit and watch your connections deepen and flourish. Follow Mindstream for more science-backed insights on building better relationships and emotional health.